Today's update, guys, is going to be on 2018 Black Mustang GT 5.0. So I know I did probably about 2 or 3 videos before in the past. It's on the story.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything is...
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing? It's me, Brandon, your host, your friend, your neighbor. Back with another video from Innovation Property Atlanta. As always, I want to thank you guys for tapping in and joining my channel and hearing some of my Turo updates and what I got going on in my day-to-day life of Turo and the fleet and all that good stuff. But before we get into the video, guys, as always, remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't be afraid to hit that notification button, guys, so you guys can stay tuned in to more Turo videos that I produce. Today's update, guys, is going to be on the 2018 Black Mustang GT 5.0. So I know I did probably about 2 or 3 videos before in the past. It's on the story time. Also, what happened to it and recently as far as burnouts going wrong and the work that needed to be taking place to get it fixed. So the car is now out the shop, and I went ahead and took care of all the mechanical issues that was wrong with the vehicle. So just a quick recap. Wheels were wheels were bent. The back wheels were bent from all the burnouts. Needed new tires. Needed new brake pads. Needed new rotors. Dashboard was filled with lights. With the stability track was turned on. As far as that dash light, the ABS light was on. The hill assistant light was on, meaning that all that stuff was being deactivated. It wasn't working. So I went ahead and took care of all the dashboard stuff. So all that's now fixed. Now all I gotta do now is get the airbag stuff taken care of, as far as the side airbags and getting that those airbags put back in, and then we're good to go, guys. So that's a quick update on the Mustang GT. Hopefully I'll have it back in the fleet up and running in the next, hopefully 2-3 weeks. But mechanically, car is solid, looks great, back to normal. But it's part of the Turo business, guys. No way to get around it. People are going to damage your car. Overall, for mechanical stuff, it got fixed at a Ford dealership here in Atlanta. Cost close to about $4,000 for our mechanical stuff. So not bad compared to what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to probably be around $5,000 or $6,000. But I got by $4,000 mechanical. Airbags probably going to cost another probably $2,000–3,000 for the airbags to get replaced. So all in all, I'll probably be out of pocket about $7,000. Turo had paid out about $11,500 for damages. So I actually made money on getting this car fixed. So again, this is me just showing you guys ways. If you're resourceful, have the right people in your team that can help you out, you can also make money from hard times or down times you think it's going to be a loss for you. Could turn to a win, depends on how you look at it. So that's the Mustang update, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. You guys have a good day.
It's just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know.